There we have a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 3 most popular web browsers on the Google Store. So we start from the Opera. Now click continue and skip. Hello. And that's it. If you want to enable Incognito Mode in this web browser, just click here and switch into a private mode. Now you can see now your secrets are safe. Now we go into Firefox. In the Firefox, if you want to enable Incognito Mode, just open the new tab and click here on this Zero Mask. If your background is purple and you see here a incognito icon, it means you are in the incognito mode. So now in the Google Chrome, sorry, I have to accept and continue. And if you want to open a incognito mode in the Google Chrome, just click on this 3 dot icon and choose new incognito tab. And now your history will be not saved. In addition, I can tell you, if you want to clear the history from for 1 hour, you can go here to the history. Sorry, I have to turn off incognito mode now. Click again here, go to the history, clear browsing data, and choose a time range. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. Goodbye.